Hey everyone, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today I wanted to give you guys an update on the mung bean sprouts that I did in this teapot. So if you watched my last video, basically I just put 2 tablespoons of mung seeds in this little teapot. Probably a little bit more than I needed, but I let them soak overnight, and then every day, just once a day, I just filled up the pot with a little bit of water and then dumped it off. And this is probably about 6 days later. So I wanted to see what kind of harvest I got out of this. So I'm going to pull these out right now, but they're really packed in there. They started to push the lid up. And I like this method because it keeps them in the dark and it's just easy, you know. Probably could have done less seeds, but anyway, 2 tablespoons, and I would say this is like a 1 quart is what I'm guessing, a 1 quart teapot. They're really packed in there tight. In fact, maybe they packed in too tight. I don't want to break them. I'm trying not to break them, guys. But after this, I'll rinse the hulls off, and then oh yeah, they came out pretty nice. Just got to wiggle them out slowly. You can see how packed they are in there. Really tight in there, so it's kind of hard to pull them out. I don't want to break them, so I'm just going easy as I get more out. Should be a little better. But it worked really well. I've done this before, you know, and my mason jar works well too, but this way is nice because it keeps them in the dark, which gives them those nice white stems, and they're nice. You know, they probably would have gotten more plump, even more plump than this, if I had a bigger teapot, some way to get them out a little easier, or if I left them in a little longer, but then they would be even harder to get out. So yeah, I'm just going to take and rinse these really good in my, put them in a bowl and rinse them. But that's what came out of this little pot. So you can see, guys, they're pretty nice. They look good. And there's these little green seed husks that I like to rinse off, and then I can store them. We're going to make some soup, and probably tomorrow we'll do a stir fry. But these are good in soups or stir fries, anything like that. You could put them on sandwiches, I suppose, too, but I like them mostly for my soups and my stir fries. So guys, if you have a little teapot at home and some mung bean seeds, you know, you might want to give that a try. It's really fun and easy. Great project too to do with the kids, and you get a lot of mung bean sprouts out of 2 tablespoons. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.